In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an external waste tank for your ET8550. If you want to see how you do it, stick around. Your boy will be right back. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie, and in today's video, like I said, I'm going to show you how you can create an external waste tank for the Epson ET8550. But before your boy hop into the video, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, share this video, drop your boy a comment, and also visit my website www.comfortstahls.com and order something so your boy could hook you up. You know what I'm saying? You know, free shipping going on my website www.comfortstahls.com. So I'm going to show you how to bypass that, you know, the waste tank to an external one, because that waste tank, you know, after you do, like, let's say 3 deep cleaning, that's it. You have to change the waste tank, and that costs money. That costs like what, 20 something, 16 to 20 something dollars. You know, who got that kind of money? But I'm gonna show you how you bypass it, where all the ink will just go somewhere else, so you don't have to waste that money to get that waste tank. You know, because that's a lot of money whenever you do a deep cleaning, and we all do that once in a while, because you have to do nozzle check and you have to do cleaning, deep cleaning, you know, to keep the head move, you know, functioning right. So now let's just hop into the video. Okay, so what I did is I took out the inside of this maintaining tank. You know, just pop it open. Very simply, just, you know, I use this to just pop it open and take out the materials inside. These are what soak up the ink. This is what it looks like. They soak up the ink. You know, of course, after like 3 power cleaning, you can't do any more power cleaning, because these things, you know, I don't know why they make it like this. And this, I got this at Home Depot. This is the little tube we're gonna use to bypass that power cleaning, you know, bypass from it going inside here and full up. We're gonna use this and put it inside of a bottle. Anyway, you guys will understand more when I get to work. All right. Alright, so what you got to do, just pop this thing out. Just got to take the tank. This is the tank that's no good. Just take that out. And you can feel that it's full of my inks. So put that on the side. And we're gonna, now this may be a little challenge for me. This you could find at Home Depot, like I said. Now, I don't know if this is the right size or what I got to do to get it to fit. Okay, so this is the empty tank. I'm going to put it back. Okay. Take the tube. I don't know if you guys could see it, but what now? Just got it in there. Okay, basically I didn't really cut it. What I did was hope you guys could see, I didn't really cut it. I just stick the scissors in it and like force it open a little. Okay, hopefully that it feels like it's on it right. Hopefully. Okay, lock that down. So I'm gonna put it in here. This is where I'm gonna stick it in. So I'm gonna put it in this bottle. And we're gonna go ahead and test it now. Let's power it on. So far so good. It turns on. Okay, okay. Turns on. Now let's try wait till it connects. Let's try power cleaning. Can you guys see me? Ooh. Okay. So I'm gonna do a power clean. Let's see. Power. It's telling me now there's not enough ink. What do you mean by? Alright. There is enough ink in there. We're good, we're good. Proceed. Okay, I put some yellow ink. Now let's see what happened. You know, I'm gonna put this on the ground. Okay, so in 6 minutes, so let's see what happened. Let's cross our fingers and hopefully it will work. Oh yeah, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. You guys, I could actually see the ink. Okay, no leakage. Actually saw it go down. We did it. Look at that. Ink is actually going through. It's going down. It's going down. It's emptying out down there. The only thing I'm gonna do next is make sure I straighten this out a little. Oh yeah. I'll be back in a few minutes. power cleaning is complete, ladies and gentlemen, and it worked. So it's so easy to stick the tube in here. It's not messy. No messy job. You can get this from Home Depot. That's where I got this one. I'll put up a link, or I believe you could also get it off of Amazon, so I'll put up the link for it, and you can see the ink just go all the way down into this. So now I have the inks in here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take it off, and whenever I need to do a power cleaning or any kind of cleaning, I just hook it up again. So they said to wait 12 hours before my first print, but who got 12 hours? So anyway, that's all I got for you. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and as always, you know your boy got you. So if you have any comment or anything else about how to do this, just leave it down below, or hit up your boy on IG, and I'll help you out. It's very easy, no mess. That's it. Next one I'm gonna show you, next video, not next video, but soon I'm gonna show you how you could get the chip to reset, you know. But anyway, I'm out.